Look guys, got me a new friend today. He even let me pet him, believe it or not. I was able to pet my little friend here quite a few times. Didn't even move. Then he even flew on my head and my hand. So I guess I'm vibing on a whole different level today. But I just wanted to share this with you. I mean, let me get pretty close. That's pretty cool. So I see butterflies all the time, fam. Orange, yellow. Haven't seen any reds like that. Couple times. Brown, black. I mean, they can be huge too. And basically, every time I see a butterfly, it just let me know I'm growing on my spiritual journey. And it keep me pretty well grounded. I mean, if I'm around, they can send me little messages, let me know places to go, places to stay away from. But every time you see a butterfly, I want you to keep this in mind. Recapture that thought as soon as you see the butterfly and figure out where it goes. Is it a positive thought? It's a negative thought? And just remember what color the butterfly is as well. And do a little research. Do a little research. That's pretty cool. So I know my girls and my wife probably won't even believe this. But when you start vibing on a whole different level, it seems like nature just want to work hand in hand with you, so you can really understand the clearer picture of what's going on. And it's up to you as the individual to unlock those messages that nature is trying to send you. Let me not say trying, is sending you. Pay attention to all the little synchronicities that goes on. Look at this fella here. That's cool. It's all about you today. How about that? Can you handle that? Can you handle that? I guess it can. It's your showcase. It's your showcase, see? You showing out a little bit? Come back over here. I can't see you. You gonna come back over here? Well, that's pretty much the show, guys, but I just wanted to share that today. I hope you enjoy your day. This is Chris from Food for Your Thoughts, Chris T. Shout out to all my melanated family, all my indigos. Y'all stay up. Peace.